You struggling to poop? Drink a glass of this detox smoothie to stimulate bowel movements, open the floodgates, and free you from pounds of toxins. Be sure to save this recipe for a refreshing intestine cleanse. You need 5 kiwis. Peel and chop them into pieces before tossing them into a blender. Green kiwi are very powerful to increase the frequency and smoothness of bowel movements. Next, grab an apple, peel it, cut it into small pieces, and incorporate it into the blender. Apples are rich in pectin, a fiber that regulates digestion, and also has an appetite-suppressant effect. Take a piece of ginger, peel it, chop it into small pieces, and add it to the blender. Ginger expedites digestion by increasing intestinal movement. To finish, take 2 carrots, peel them, cut them into small pieces, and put them too in the blender. Raw carrots are very effective in combating constipation. Add 200 ml of water, blend well the ingredients, and voila, your detox smoothie is ready. Drink a glass on an empty stomach every morning, and you'll likely notice immediate improvements in digestion, reduced bloating, and a trimmer waistline. Check my profile to learn more about the best natural remedy for constipation. Comment, "Thank you," to support my work, and let me know which recipe you'd like to see next.